Hello, welcome to this course, GIS for Beginners. I am Dr. Alamaya Mideksa. In this session, we'll do Lab 2. We'll explore landmarks in Google Earth. So let's go to Google Earth. If you don't have Google Earth, you can go to Google Earth website, Google Earth. If you hit this in Google, you'll see this Google Earth website. So you can go ahead and download Google Earth. If you don't have Google Earth, you can do that. It's free. So once you download Google Earth, you can do what I'm doing. So what I'm technically, this is a Google Earth environment. Um, when you open that, first, the way you do that is you can double click that in your machine. I'll say Google Earth. Alright, here it is. When I double click the Google Earth software, it's coming. I'll just say close. This is a backup, and then this is how I'll close, and this is how the Google Earth is. So the Google Earth is technically three-dimension of the planet. You can go to any place on Earth, and you can it's technically the planet is at the palm of your eye, your hand, and then you can visualize, monitor the planet, and you know the beauty is that you can zoom into any place that you're interested in, and you can get a very high resolution data, and then you can you can visualize, do analysis, depending on what your intent is. So this is really one powerful data source, example of geographic information system, to explore, visualize, and analyze data. So what we'll do here is check some landmarks, and then I'll show you how to explore some sites or landmarks in the world, and then how to explore this. So the first thing we'll do is just we'll write anything that we're interested on this search toolbar. For example, if I hit here Statue of Liberty, if I write the Statue of Liberty and then I'll click that and then hit the search, it will take me the United States of America to New York, the Statue of Liberty. We'll just go to where that Statue of Liberty is. Here we go. I can go here, I can see, visualize, zoom in, zoom out the Statue of Liberty. It's pretty interesting. And then the interesting thing is just you have different ways to look at it, and you can turn it around. You can kind of have a two-dimensional, three-dimensional view. You can zoom in. That's pretty interesting. Another example is, let's go to the Grand Canyon. Grand Canyon, Arizona. Grand Canyon National Park. It will take me to Arizona again. Here we go. I am in the middle of the Grand Canyon National Park. So I can come here, I can change the 3D visualization, and I can turn. This is like, as if I'm really on the ground looking at, visiting this place. It's really powerful. And then I can turn around, I can see the valley here. I can zoom out if I want to. It's pretty live. The mountains, the gorgeous Grand Canyon here. Alright, let me go to Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower. I'll just hit search and then it will take me to France, Europe. Here we go. Here we go, the Eiffel Tower. I can turn around, you know, I'm in the Eiffel Tower. I can zoom in. See, it's pretty, you know, it's pretty powerful. I can zoom in here. Here's the Eiffel Tower. I can take a different, you know, look at of the Eiffel Tower. Areas around that, you can see, I mean, it's pretty high resolution data. You can see people walking, you can see cars in the parking lot. It's pretty powerful, you know. So that is, you know, one very powerful example of how we can use geographic information system, you know, to monitor, understand, you know, the environment. We've seen, you know, time series data of, you know, Landsat satellite to monitor change over time in the previous session. Now we're looking at a pretty high resolution data, not only in 2-dimension but also in a 3-dimension to monitor or to visualize or explore anywhere on the planet.